What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel coming today with a how-to video and how to mine Qubic utilizing HiveOS and Apool. So I've been mining Qubic since the last epoch, right? So about a week. Every Wednesday there is a new epoch for Qubic. So upon that, usually the miner has to update. At least the miners that I'm using for Apool update. Weekly, right? And when you're mining Qubic, you don't get paid automatically. So due to the way their epochs work, you get, especially on Apool, you get paid for the week previous. So I just finished my first epoch, which was epoch 128, according to right here. So last epoch was 128. So after epoch 129, so on Wednesday, I will get paid for epoch 128, and I will be on epoch 130. So you get paid for your previous amount. Also, it'll kind of average your last epoch hash rate. I was definitely more than that, as you can see for the weekly. But between me actually I was testing it on the PC that I'm using right now. So I do work from home, so I use my computer sometimes. So it'll mine for a little bit, then I stop it. But then one will stay on, wife's computer. The wife's computer doesn't really like it that much, so it drops off. A lot of inconsistencies. So even though I was hitting like 198 at some peaks, 204 at others, I'm averaged 77. I've had it pretty stable. I toned down the wife's PC, and so far it's been up and going and not really giving me an issue for the 3060 Ti and 16 gigabytes of RAM on that one. Now I'm not mining with the CPU on that one or on mine. I'm not a huge CPU mining person if I use my computer, just because I don't want to degrade the life of my work CPU. But nonetheless, this is what we got. So on Apool, we're gonna show you how to mine Qubic, right? So they are aiming to be the first ever useful proof of work on a layer 1 blockchain. Now do keep in mind, when you're mining this, you can only use Nvidia cards at this moment and CPUs. So do be aware of that. You can also get it on a number of these exchanges, store it on Hash Wallet. They do a real world data. We get real world and real time data through Oracle machines. UPOW transforms computational power to AI training, which makes sense of why they're only really using CPUs and Nvidia cards, because that stuff really isn't pushed in for AMD stuff or Intel. It is open source, so you can check out their GitHub and check it all out. And they aim to be true AI for everyone. So pretty interesting stuff. Secure your Qubic, web wallet, iOS, Android, all of the above. Now, according to the calculator, which I do not know how accurate this calculator is, so even if I base it off of what I did last time, and we'll just say 200 watts, my revenue was $2.19 a day, or about $1.76. That's per day. Now I don't know if this calculator is correct, to be honest. So we're gonna go here to flight sheets. We are going to create a new flight sheet for you, and we will show you how to do this. So we go to here. We're going to type in Qubic. We'll add my Apool wallet. Configure this in Miner, because they're really, according to everywhere, there is no pools and no miners. I do know there is another miner than the one I'm using, but I have not used it. We're just going to go back. So we're just going to go to the miner tutorial. All right, so Qubic, so HiveOS flight sheet. This is the most current miner, because remember, we're doing a custom miner here. So configure in miner, go to custom, setup miner. Here's the URL. hash algorithm, just make sure it stays on the slashes. Now for the wallet and worker template, get rid of this. Really, you can actually you can copy it if you want, and you put that down here. So -- worker, then we control V, and we can still do the worker name, which will just pull the worker name of the machine. All right, go here. The pool is in Hong Kong, which I wish we had a pool closer. May look at running my own pool. Apply changes. So we're going to go to base, go to flight sheets, and here is Qubic. And we're going to check this because I don't see how these overclocks even work to begin with, because these overclocks may not work. And there really are no overclocks to really begin with. This is like the standard NV tools. If you want to do CPU and GPU mining, you can follow this guide, and you would just use the same custom miner for both as you set them up. There is an automatic update miner, so you can automatically update each epoch, but there's usually implementations and like updates for the miner itself, so I just update it manually. So do be sure to check your versions. We are currently, as of this epoch, on version 2.3.0 on their page. I was putting in 2.2.2, which was last version. I should have realized that. So it was not updating. So now we can get back into this. All right, so we are in, but we are going to come back in 1 second because we are currently on Qubic mining idle. I can see it on my other computer as well. Qubic goes into an idle state for a little bit, and then it'll go into a mining state. So while it's in idle, it does pull much less wattage, but we'll be right back once we actually get into non-idle mode. So 1 second. All right, so we are up hashing. Of course, it's warm in the well house, so things are going to get a little warm here. Now, also, I think maybe one of the fans has gone on the case, because just these two cards are hot. I'm going to go check that. But nonetheless, these are just kind of some generic overclocks that I usually can use on just about anything. This 3060, I think, is my 3060 black edition, because it does get less hash for the exact same settings. So only thing different is that the power, I can't set the power on it because that is the black edition. So the XCs. So we are hashing though. Let me know what yours is down below. So this machine right here is going to get a total of 375 proofs for 375. So that it says it is going to make me $10 a day in Qubic. I don't know. I don't know about all that. But I have no way of actually knowing and testing this. So you let me know. Do you have a calculator out there? Is there something that you can use in order to cross-reference this? Because I would love to make $10 a day with that machine. Wouldn't we all? But we wouldn't know up until a week after that we mined it. We will catch y'all on the flip side, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it taught you something about how to mine Qubic with a HiveOS machine. Yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Much love. Peace out. Stay freaking savage. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.